everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mrugla and today I am going to be doing a beach wave hairstyle with my short hairs. Beach wave hairs are very easy. We have to understand the techniques and little bit of the practice. And of course we need some tools. The best thing of the beach wave hair is versatile. We can style with many outfits and many occasions. We can wear with the casual outing, parties, events or the formal events depending on how you want to style. I guess this is the hairstyle which we can suit on anyone with the long hair or the shorter hair. Today I am going to be showing with my short hair. Tools I need 1¼ inch curling iron. It has a heat adjustment like if you want 140 to 250. Basically you can control the heat depending on how much you want. We can do this with the flat iron, but I like to go more easier way. I am using a curling wand or the curling iron. Personally I felt very difficult with the flat iron. We need the heat protector. This is the Redken blowout heat protector, and we need the texture spray. This is from IGK Beach Club Volume Texture Spray. Personally, I love this texture spray. It adds a beachy texture and instantly grip to your hair. It creates a nice volume and a little more lift. And the comb, whatever the comb you have handy with you, and 4 to 5 pins depending on your hair length and hair thickness. My hairs are quite thin, so I need 4-5 pins. It's enough for me. We have to follow some steps. First of all, I am going to prepare my hair, partition my hair one side. If you want to style with the middle partition, you can go ahead. I like to do the side partition and I roughly did this partition. I sprayed the heat protector. Unfortunately, my camera battery died and couldn't film that part, so sorry about that. I'm going to styling my hair from the right side and I'm going to work with the smaller section. Whatever leftover hairs are, I'm going to secure with the pin, like left side front hair and the back hair. It is very helpful to create a defined waves. One more thing we have to keep in mind, detangle the hair or comb the hair with that section. This is the time to grab the curling iron. Put the iron in the hair and swirl the hair around the iron. Keep the ends as it is. Do not curl them. If you are looking for the perfect beachy waves, whenever you hold the iron, keep away from your face. Hold the iron for few seconds. 9 to 10 seconds is enough, and softly you have to release the iron. I'm seeing some of the people, they are pulling the iron very harshly. That will definitely damage your hair. Very softly you have to release the iron, and look at it, how beautiful and the soft curl come out. Repeat the same process. Grab the another section. First of all, secure the other side of your hair with the pin and always detangle your hair before curling. Grab the hot iron and swirl the hair around the iron, and important, left the ends as it is. If you are looking for a gorgeous curls, beachy waves, so do not curl them, and hold for few seconds and release very softly your iron wand. And look at this, how beautiful curls come out. And I'm going to follow the similar procedure for the other hairs. Once I finish the right side, and I'm going to repeat the same process on the left side, I'm going to start from the back side and coming towards the front. I don't want to be live with you guys. This is my third day of hair. It is not freshly washed hair, but if you want to style with the freshly washed hair, you can go with it. Or like if you want to go somewhere for the special occasion and wanted to style that day and feels lazy to wash the hair like me today. I wanted to film this video today and feels very lazy to wash. Definitely this will work on second or third day of your hair. Repeating the same procedure also from the left side face framing, grab the section, secure the other ends of your hair, grabbing the curling iron and put the iron in and swirl the hair around the iron. I wanted to keep the ends as it is. I don't want to curl them, and I'm going to hold the iron for few seconds and softly I'm going to release the iron. And I'm going to follow the similar procedure for the other hairs. Grabbing the last section and the hot iron, swirl the hair around the iron. Important part, do not curl the ends. I wanted to keep as it is. It's going to be straight enough. And one more thing, if you want to keep the face framing looks more softer, keep the iron away from the face and look at it. This face framing hairs are more softer. Step 5. Lastly, we have to apply the texture spray. Once we finish curling all the sections, finger comb your hair and apply the texture spray. Slowly we have to spray the texture spray, and texture spray will enhance the waves and it gives that beachy textures wave. It gives the beachy textures and instantly grip my hairs, and it creates a very gorgeous volume. This is the final look. Hope you guys love it. And this is how I create the effortlessly beach waves. Thank you so much for watching and bye guys.